but I know it doesn't have as big of a short float either as GME had. I mean, GME had a crazy short float.
What's
So
up?
right, isn't it?
I have no clue.
Morning,
now,
everybody.
I'll probably
Morning,
won't be able
Justin.
to see anything with the new short float on it anyway.
Oh.
They don't like update that on a daily basis, you know.
Yeah.
The short float's now 270%.
Where do you see that as an accurate?
Yeah, how do we know that's actually updated?
That'd be my dartboard next to me, the same way I get all my price targets.
Oh, okay.
I knew it.
Minute and a half. Minute and a half.
Mark?
Show me the money.
Let's get it today, boys and girls. Sorry, Brad, I almost forgot you. No? No? Man, I thought that was kind of funny. Damn.
GME went from 81 to 89 right now.
Oh, dude, that's a minute. That's a minute
Yeah.
move, bro. That's
Yeah.
minute.
Yeah.
You're just it's just chopping around. Just chopping around.
That's penny.
I would rather waited
I mean,
for that, though.
if I trade that thing, it'll be with 1 or 2 shares to start. Like, I'm not looking for little scout moves like Mr. Bass over here.
Tim is like, I want $10 a share, or I don't want it at all.
Did you look at the daily on it? Really
Yeah, yeah, that's crazy. That's a red candle.
Yeah.
My computer just decided to restart. Oh my gosh.
Just in time. You got 20 seconds.
You got that. Good morning.
Morning.
Morning times.
Reopening everything currently. I hate it when it does that. TV.
Oh, Brad's in here. Mwah. Love you, Brad. Here's the bell.
Yeah,
Hopefully we don't have the same issues with the charts as yesterday. So far, it doesn't appear to be.
What's going on, people?
Nothing really.
Okay, good.
I'm just glad my charts are being normal so far.
Yeah, not like yesterday.
Yeah, that
They
was
jumped all
crazy.
over.
Alright. Okay. And back open.
Brr.
Oh, there goes GME.
Assuming you're not in it.
No.
Whatever that is, stop it.
Steven.
Is it him, dude? He's gotta be muted.
I put him in timeout.
Thank you.
To 96 so far.
PLTR.
97.
Ah, PLTR went.
Yeah, I missed that too.
That's really cool.
I had it up too.
Oh my god, GME. Oh,
Hey, sorry, Steve. That rustling sound was a bit much.
no problem. Throw me out whenever you want. I'll just keep coming back.
Did AMTX? Is that like a new IPO?
There's two of them that just did that to me. KOSS, and I know KOSS is not.
KOS
BB's
is
going
fine.
through.
What is?
BB.
Yeah, oh, yeah, it just took a sec to load BB. It tried to do that same thing.
I am so not on top of things right now.
No, me neither.
I just had to reset.
Now Plug
everything.
is doing it. What the heck?
GME's in basically that whole move.
costs really going crazy?
Oh wow, this actually went over 100? Yeah, I didn't even see that move. I was looking for it to go through 100, just out of curiosity.
The BB is still going. Order's coming down.
Watching PERI, a little lower volume. PERI.
What was the other one that was moving?
BB was, but now I don't like it. Twitter basically is giving up that whole move that it just had.
Workhorse is moving.
Ah, that's the other one that I had up and I took off. Not took off, but disappeared. Dude, I can't get him with this. Ah, dude. You gotta love it when your freaking computer shuts down right before the bell. That just totally threw me off.
I didn't get filled there. I need to, I think, lower my limit order for that. That might have saved me some headache.
Frustrating morning that was for me.
I don't think on anything. All these decent moves. Did you get Workhorse, Tim?
I'm in it, yeah.
Ay, man. Woo.
BB?
Yeah, BB. How's that thing going?
Oh no. Way down.
It's quite the dip.
Yeah.
God.
I'm in it. And hoping.
Which one?
BB.
Fuck, sir.
I don't recommend right now.
Don't recommend.
Maybe I do, but I don't know. It's scary.
I missed my ad down here.
I'm actually taking it off there, dude. I'm not trusting it.
I don't, yeah, no.
I don't trust it.
Yeah,
I
you
might
should.
have
I don't
18.
know.
18 might be an interesting bounce. Yeah, I'm glad I got out of it. Ay, dude. What a frustrating morning.
Wish I would have seen that too. I completely missed the ad and
Good thing
the
we got out.
flush there. I'll just take this break even if it gives it to me.
Came right up to the previous trim line I had drawn and rejected off of it, and I was like, nope. Not cool. think I made like 15, 20 bucks on it. I didn't see my freaking.
I made 15.
I think that's what I made too. I didn't even see my P&L. I'm just guessing.
Missed CCIV off the bottom, but I don't like the way I'm looking either now.
See if it gives us the
Sorry,
flush.
shucks.
I'm ready to just get out break even though. A little spready too.
CCIV.
Yeah,
Why is this?
it
trade
could be
not
alright,
moving?
but I just don't like where it's going.
Yeah.
1491's my average here.
Did you get it?
No. If I got it at the bottom, I wouldn't have been at the bottom, so
Yeah.
when I was looking.
GME up at 98 bucks.
SPK's moving.
I ain't shorting that, dude.
Back through 15, I'm out.
It's moving a little too good for me when it gets moving.
Oh, actually, there's no volume. Oh, no, there is. I looked at the wrong one. There's one right above it, that OTRK, that has no volume. And
I was listening. That had like some legit news last night.
A little scared me out there. Thought that was gonna go
It's one of those
all the way
ones I
back
don't
up.
like screwing with, man.
It's alright.
yeah,
Leave that
Short
one
side,
alone.
I
yeah.
just think she can get a little too crazy for me.
I missed my ad here. I was paying attention to WKHS, so I was getting ready to add, and then I saw the spread wasn't that great, so I didn't. I wanted to just, and it was just moving too slow, so I wanted to make sure I got the better ad there, and then I just missed it. And then it faked me out there, going back
Oh,
through
Jimmy is
15,
dropping like a rock.
but no big
Is it
deal.
really?
That was a smaller
Yep.
loss.
That's I think it's gonna halt.
I'm not even gonna watch that, to be honest.
Got room down to $2.57.
Perfect. Short it. I dare you.
Yeah, it's
Good
gonna
morning,
halt.
your mouth is.
And she's halted.
You're not in, are you?
No. Because when it was moving down that fast, I kept seeing the halt coming. I'm like, yeah, no.
Made me nervous.
Yeah.
I know a lot of times on those drops, you're like, bye.
Morning, Thomas.
She may be done, dude. Honestly, that party might be over. What is she down at?
Did PERI end up breaking down?
85.
Oh no, I'm gonna pick up.
That's kind of my level for her, dude. In my head, I was looking at that earlier. Below 85, I think she's dead.
I had a plan there
Yeah,
once I
just
didn't get my ad. If I would have got my ad, that would have been a nice trade, but
Dead what? Dead
did
what?
not.
79?
Maybe lower, dude. I mean, I don't think she's going back up to 100.
What about 500? How are they gonna do that
know.
offering if they don't get to 500?
Then long it. No, don't try to tell me to do long it. Man up.
GRTS, baby. New lows. GRTS. New lows.
Oh god, you're still in that?
Hell yeah.
wait, are you still on that?
Of course I'm still in that.
What's your average?
17.
Oh right, I forgot. You're all the way down there.
And what's it at now?
23.
22. 22, 23.
At 22.99 is not technically 22, Steve. I mean it is, but not really. It's 23.
Well, today's Tuesday, right?
That's true.
Just checking, Captain Little Man.
Hey, hey, hey.
Hey.
Little man?
You did.
Captain Literal Man. Literal.
Oh, literal. Oh,
Hey,
okay.
you call him
I-
little man.
I was like, man. I mean, I'm freaking fat, bro. I ain't little.
Oh, he's not talking about you. dude.
I know. I was being
Devin
funny.
can vouch for your size. I can't. I don't have access to your Instagram account.
My Instagram account, dude, that's fake as crap. People think I'm skinny on that thing. Pretty much like every other person's Instagram account.
It's called a
What are we
filter.
watching, man?
watching VIR. I'm not really sure what this thing is doing.
There's that filter that says take off 20.
Watching parts, PRTS.
Yep.
I like PRTS. Yeah, kinda, but it's spreading.
I was clicking above the button.
This purchase isn't
See if it comes back up. Yeah, there we go. That's not that move I wanted anyway. I wanted it to go through that. Oh, and then it got rejected right away. I would have kind of been FOMOing into it, but I missed it anyway. Where's this thing going? Go a little smaller on it, just in case we're early.
The hell is HUSA?
I don't know. 7 million float, not a million volume yet. 273.
I'm in this PRTS.
Me too. I got in too early though.
Leg could drop down to 16, 60, go!
Just all at once.
Hmm?
Just all at once. Take the elevator.
Yep.
Like bye bye.
Yep. I like the elevator down.
2240
There's the
counts as
elevator down.
22s?
What?
Does 2240 count as 22s?
Yes, I would say that counts as 22s.
All right, I appreciate that.
I'll give you that one.
Very kind of you, sir.
No problem. I do what I can.
No, do what you have to.
I wouldn't really say that's true.
That's not true either?
No, like as in I do what I can.
Oh, okay.
Should have added right there. Totally should have added up at the top there. That was kind of silly. I thought it was going to actually go for 18.
That's good enough for me, man. Made some money on that. That thing was a little frustrating. I added to it too, so it was a decent share size. I'm not wanting to screw with that.
I ended up too big, but it's
Ended up what?
I ended up big on that.
I ended up a little bit on that. I didn't even add at the top. I added on the way down.
Well, luckily I added at the top.
Oh, what? OSDK?
No, on parts.
Oh. There's my purse. It was a decent trade, and I made some money on it. But
I should have stayed. Now it's
Good
under
enough
17. Wish I stayed.
Yeah, I just took mine off there.
I'm kind of cool with it.
Yeah, I
The
should.
news back open.
As I said, I got in then. I'm like,
Whoa.
this is why I hate these trades.
What is
This why I don't do it."
OXBR doing? I'm gonna stay away from that. That's a low float.
Workhorse is saying, you guys, I'm going it.
It did go down first though. Well, after it tried to go back to high day first before the big drop.
VLDRs. That's not going fast enough.
It's trying.
What's trying?
VLDR.
Yeah, I'm not short. It could be a long, but I don't know.
Hey, I don't see my perfect trade. GME is still halted?
No, it's open.
No, is it?
Yeah,
Shopping around.
yeah. I mean, from 85 to 91. As it's chopping.
When chopping from 85 to 91?
Yeah.
That's what he does. What do I think about this?
He was just telling you the spread. That's just the spread, 85 to 91.
Yeah.
This isn't exactly flushing like we would want.
I want him workhorse
Looking
here.
through that flush through 50.
Let you know momentarily whether or not I regret this or not.
Good luck.
Regret it yet. I don't want it yet. Come on, let's get some push here.
There we go. Give us a nice little breakdown.
Motherfucker.
Come on, get the ask under. Let's move our way down.
Didn't start it heavy. I can add.
Part's still going.
Just take off this one.
Kind of bounced a little first. So this is gonna be a break-even trade if it goes back up. Back up through 50. I'm not really interested.
Come on, Mike Bush. There you go, good girl. There we go.
There's really nothing holding this up, so the sellers aren't there, the sellers aren't there, which right now they're not. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. Bring the ass down.
Alright, took it off.
Trying to be patient here.
Small one there.
See if we can get the 20 break.
Volume didn't come in.
Alright, we're gonna take it there.
What are we watching? What's
Decent little
moving?
win. Just got some of VLDR myself.
Is that moving?
It was. Good call out, Lance. Thank you. I didn't even see it at first.
Oh, that's the one we didn't have shorts on.
Yeah.
Yeah.
VLDR. Huh. What's this thing gonna do? No, that's a crappy looking daily. Alright, I'm not trading that. Maybe it's workhorse.
Why did I not trade Pixie? I saw David and Brian trading it. Did I even pull this thing up? I feel like I never saw this on alert or anything. I don't know. Is this a lower float? I mean, it doesn't really look like. I mean, actually, it looks like I might have traded it on this candle here. I don't know why. I don't feel like I ever pulled this thing up. Maybe I was just always busy with the other trades.
Oh, guys. Tilray's moving on.
Is it?
Pretty decent move on.
Grindy. And it's on SSR. It's definitely more of a long play for sure.
Where I would be looking.
That was just me agreeing with you, kind sir.
So it's high right here. It's 23 bucks.
I'm telling you guys, I'm getting pretty good at figuring out when these are gonna stop going down. Now again, obviously what they do after this, whether it goes high of day and continues, comes up here, makes sloppy seconds, and continues lower, I don't know. But getting pretty good at determining the bottoms of those pullbacks. Nice, Thomas. Looks nice.
Even more nice. Full size.
Boom. Yeah, I was gonna take a partial there, but I was like, I didn't really have enough size in it anyway, so I just kind of said just took it. Pretty much got back to that previous resistance. Actually bounced right off of it, so I was good with it.
Just got a small one on GME, very small.
Still rated at 300 bucks.
Yeah. Get long now. It's going.
Who's gonna make the ride with me? Let's go.
Yeah, look, VLDR going right to high day.
What is she? Ford?
So this, I mean, let's look at these two charts. Let's break them down real quick while I'm still looking. PRTS determined the bottom of the bounce, right? Came all the way down, and then it tried to bounce, but this one rolled over. Came down, determined the bottom of the bounce, but this one went high of day. It's one of those things, when you find these people going over charts in hindsight, it's so easy to be like, oh yeah, do this, do that, do this, do that. But actually seeing that in real time, and I say it all the time, what it does after that pullback, 50-50. Like, nobody knows what that thing's going to do. The high probability play is when you get this big extension away from previous resistance. It doesn't have to be away from previous resistance, but I like it away. And the odds are that thing, it's a high probable play. It's going to have some sort of retracement back towards those levels. Ford is halted? Oh, that's not the actual Ford.
No, it's not actual Ford. No.
Yeah, Ford is just F.
Forward Industries.
FORD Ford is halted though. Smaller float, lower volume.
Oh, PLTR, man, there's the one we should have bought.
Yep.
Son of a beast, then. That was the dip and rip. Oh, dude, it actually came right down to my level too. I freaking had a level right here. Oh, I'm an idiot. I suck. That's 34.75. Oof, that hurts.
Possible fake out breakout here. If it comes back below this 25.80 area. I'm not gonna play it, but
why are my charts going so slow? Is anybody else having this experience?
No.
yeah, mine's doing it again.
Like I type in a new ticker
Yeah, and like one candle comes up. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, actually, mine's doing it right now. Just started.
Oh, well, that's good. Can't trade. Oh, okay, there it goes.
There it went.
Ah,
Yeah.
mine just went too. There's got to be an issue that they're having everywhere.
Yeah, it was doing that crap yesterday too. Not that, but it was like a different. It was like bouncing all over the place. I was here. I was there for that.
A big part of that too.
I have OEG up.
Yeah, I did too. We don't have shorts, unfortunately.
Watching Vuzi as well. VUZI.
Okay, don't know what just happened there. That might be a good thing that I didn't get in there.
Did you get Vuzi?
Me? No.
Not 10.
I was still watching it. I had just pulled it up. Feel like I missed it, yeah. I was still kind of watching OEG. I just pulled Vuzi up and saw it was near that $50. I was like, oh, let's see if it can get there, but I guess it was already done. Look away for 1 second. Missed it.
What'd you miss?
OEG. Literally went to pull up the bubbles, and that quick was gone.
Min Sun W.
There's two there. Vuzi and OEG. Grant, I would have been pretty small on OEG because this thing looks like it has some room. Ford's back open. Dumped.
Nicola, I'm not sure I like it. Not liking that low now.
Hang OXBR, careful float rotation.
What are we gonna do? Alright, I took all of Nicola off because I'm not trusting that at all, and I chased it so small in. Sun W, what's that thing doing? I gotta pee.
Up.
See this thing shoot up to 75 area.
How are you?
A little annoyed that I missed Vuzi. That was kind of an easy one. OEG as well.
I'll get the bag out of your way. Have a great day.
I'm here to make some money.
The bottom of GME.
Didn't quite give us what we wanted there. I think this one's a little scary, huh?
Who are we watching, people? I top ticked Nicola.
Did you?
I mean, I got so little out of that move, it's not even funny, but I think I got like maybe 15 cents. I don't know, I was at like 58 and I got out at 69. I didn't get that at 11 cents.
The spread on this is not great.
Old crap stock moving.
What?
New ones moving.
API.
VIR.
VIR.
It's pretty spready.
Oh my
So.
god, it's doing it again, bro.
It started it again too.
No, there it goes. Jeez. Yours did it too?
Yeah.
I don't like that one, dude. That's 50 cent spread. Alright, now I'm back to normal again. Alright, I'm along the workhorse.
Eesh. That's why we started this one small. These lines are starting to catch up pretty quick too. Not gonna look to stay in this one, that's for sure. This one could definitely squeeze, apparently.
This one's not working. Is still VIR going?
Yeah,
It's
it's
chopping around.
trying. Yeah, it's chopping around at the highs here. It's trying to, though.
Back up. That workhorse blasts off, dude. One second, let me blast off this is. Come on! Playing games with my heart. Oh, this thing's so screwing with me. Not like fully sold on it.
And this thing is fighting to come down and then squeezes up. It's not a good sign. That's for sure.
Alright, teeny tiny loss.
On which one?
Of course. I didn't get the bottom of that. I wish I would have, but I just wasn't looking at it. Jumped in thinking she was gonna fly through high day, and then she said, I am not. What is moving on volume? Let's figure that out. Where's all the tension at today? Did you jump in that VIR, Vesh?
I did. I'm just kind of. I started really small, seeing it was possible that it's doing what it's doing. So I'm actually just kind of looking to get out of it.
She looks screwy. SDC. I don't love it.
All out of parts.
You were still in?
Well done, sir.
Yeah. I was holding leftovers, trying to let them fade for the rest of the day.
But it ain't fading.
No, I reclaimed DWAP.
Let me see if I feel bad about that trade. I could have made a lot more on it, but yeah, a lot more. Oh well. SDC. After that one bit me yesterday, I didn't want to screw with it. I feel like I always am the lucky guy that gets caught in the ones that don't want to go down. Oh, Vesh, you're out of that, right?
I'm seeing what it does here, 64. Then yeah, I'm probably gonna cut it.
That's the one I would get caught at. Why didn't you start this one, Thomas? That looks you-ish.
Did you see all that upward that it had on the daily?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that what made you say nope?
Yeah, I was like, that's got a lot of room up there.
I don't like that candle up there at 74.
Plus, it's over my price range.
Yeah, it's not cheap though. I'm not even gonna try to freaking catch
Oh shit.
Did you
What?
look away and it just jumped $2 on you?
Oh no, I thought I couldn't. Hold on.
It's going straight up, dude. But about the hold. SDC a little bit, but it's really not that extended.
Which
Even
one?
though it's got SDC,
Oh, that one. Yeah.
and even though it's like, you know, multiple candles straight up. Now I like one more. Alright. I'm in.
Not me.
I think a flush down here to 64 would be nice,
Yeah,
eh?
that's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1-minute candles in a row. Come on, give me a break. Chill out.
Get through 66.
And let's make another one.
Through 66, I was looking to
That's a lot of volume.
take most off there. There we go. Oh, I wonder if I would have got filled there.
Right out of that one for a loss.
SDC.
Mm-hmm.
Oof. I was worried about the cover half there, and it actually gave me the fill.
I'm not
Well, that was a bit of a sweat.
They don't work for me, dude.
That was the power of sizing right
Too
there.
much upward momentum.
MITT, MITT.
Mittens? That's what I'm gonna call that one.
Daily is not too great on it.
Don't look at SDC.
A minute.
I just missed
And
it.
what? SDC?
SDC.
Alright, there's my money. I'm out of it, dude. That's that thing. I gotta look through the long on this.
Yeah, I just missed it.
I'm gonna look for the long on this, to be honest. Nah, no I'm not. I don't like it. I don't like it for a long. I don't really like it for a short or a long, so why am I swimming with this? Tilray, that's just took a big D1P. Oh, dude, why are these charts loading up like this? Load my chart, please. That's a big dump on Tilray. Doesn't have that much room up to those moving averages for me. What are you watching, Lance? Come on, help me out, man.
I was looking around. I missed SDC. That upset me a little bit.
Killing me, bro. You're normally the guy with the trade ideas.
And I don't know. I'm just off today.
Alright, yeah. I got thrown a little off this
I missed
morning.
At the beginning of the day, I missed GME popped and put her to and popped and just threw me off because I didn't get any of them. and I just missed the pop on Tilray. Not like it's a great pop yet, but
Yeah, dude, I was looking at that one. That doesn't look like a promising pop to me.
it could be.
Could be. You can go back up the highs, but
I don't like OSTK.
OSTK, that's just up. Oh my god, these cards are murdering my soul.
Yeah, when they get that little lag.
Every single time.
Just trying to give it a sec
Every
to see if it
time I
wants to
go
go
low.
through 380, but it doesn't seem to want to. Just trying still.
Like, takes it a good 5 seconds to...
There we go. One more shot here. Give us the push through.
Okay. WKHS, what did that do?
Come on, give us the push.
Made more off that one.
There it is. I'm on the bid.
Alright,
Alright, well, it didn't fill us on the bid there, so... Oh, and there it would have been. That's okay. Take the winner there.
VIR with you, Vesh. Did you get out of that, or what?
Yeah, I actually got out for a little profit.
It came down a lot.
I hit the top at that halt price. It was either hit the top at the halt price and it came down, or it went through and tried to get through up through... 70 was my break there. I was cutting it there. I just got some at MITT as well. Should have got a little more. I got a little impatient. I was on the bid and didn't get filled, so I took it for a few extra cents. Twitter? Yeah, I ain't playing Twitter. I don't care where that's at.
I'm a little off today. Nothing's really moving like I really like it to either.
No.
Maybe OXBRS, let's see if that's got massive volume. That does.
It was just fighting to come down. There was no like real flush. Like even on this big red candle, it was still kind of a fight to get down to where it was. So that's what I was looking for, was for it to kind of find that bottom, and it pushed through 80, and then it immediately kind of stopped. So once I saw it trying to go back up through 80, I wanted to take it before, because that's the thing with these. It's when they're moving like this, a lot of times it just pops, right? But if it's fighting to come back down, I'm starting to learn.
Oh, why would you want to short that?
I haven't
Excuse
looked
me.
at it yet.
I'm starting to learn to trust my instincts with those, because I see it all the time where it'll come down, and then it'll pop. So I'm starting to realize if it's fighting. I mean, look at it. It's still really fighting just for a couple more cents here. But then watch if it does start to go back up. Watch how quickly it'll probably go to 380. It just pops up there where it's just fighting to come back down. I'm starting to realize or see that a lot better now. We'll still watch it. There's nothing else going on right now.
5 minutes, then they come in and with bubble.
I'm in GME.
Good luck.
See what I'm talking about? See how quick it just pops right up?
Although, it bounced up
Fights
35
for a cent at a time to go down, but then when it goes to go back up, it just pops. Those are the ones I'm starting to notice a little bit better. They're not the ones that we want to be in long term. Now, if you get ones that just flush, those are the ones that you can start scaling out of. But see how easy it just goes up, but how hard it is for it to come back down?
Yeah.
So I'm starting to think about that when I'm looking to scale out or not scale out of a position.
Down right here. I would short that to 85. That's how sure I am. If I had shorts. Which I don't, so who cares?
I think I got a little too early. I was in at 86.
You didn't get it off the bottom there.
No. It just keeps bouncing off that 85 mark.
You bounce again?
I mean, it's bounced a little, but not really. You know what I mean? No, now it's through it. I don't know where it goes now.
81. That's my goal. Pretty quick.
Yeah, that's where the. Yeah.
Aren't you glad you got out of it?
I am. Yeah, I'm glad.
That
I'm
looks,
thinking we're getting again right here.
that looks like a not fun ride. That looks like the type of ride I wouldn't want to take.
Want a couple more. Still under my quota for the day here.
GRTS is 21 now.
I don't think I actually saved any of my screenshots. I did of that one. Keep the music off for a little bit. The old MBev on the scanner. What? Me and Devin have a history with that thing.
I'm in it again.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
What are you guys playing? STC?
Jamie.
Right.
Gimme.
Touch. Good enough. I'm out. That was a nice one.
Gimme. Man, you paid some spread on that one.
On the exit, I did.
Yeah, 60 cents. I saw that.
Yeah, I didn't get out for a good price. I saw that candle jump up there and just took it, but I didn't get filled up there. But it's all good. I was in at the bottom, dude.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, it went against me a little bit. I think the most I was down was like $30.
Over 85, yes.
Ah, you little piece of crap. Are you still in it?
Yeah.
I took it off when I saw that 85 rate because I don't think it's getting above there again. I mean, she might pop up there, but normally the floor becomes the ceiling, man.
Well, I
Oh,
only have
wow.
leftovers left, so.
I didn't see it went down to 81 again. Damn.
I'd be looking for that from the ceiling there.
I was watching,
I feel comfortable with where I got out.
watching some other stuff.
Ox bar. That's a little better, eh?
HOFV. A
Yeah.
little smaller range.
What's that?
HOFV.
Off fee.
Yeah,
Was that like $11?
Nah, it's like two. Yeah, it's,
Not the suck I was thinking.
I should have waited on that one.
yeah, I'm out of that. Probably shouldn't be, but that's okay. I only had barely anything left.
Dude, I made some money, man. I mean, honestly, that got me to goals. I'm a little above. My first really good trade. I'm only 100 shares.
It's nice when you make a good chunk on 100 shares.
Well, I went 81.70 to 83 something. And yeah, the rest of them.
Not looking for
almost
much.
$2
Not a huge fan of this stock. I've played this one before.
Crazy, man. That thing moves so much. Alright. What are we gonna do here? That should have worked. Though I'm an idiot. My name is Devin. WKHS. My radio's not too loud, is it, guys?
No.
Oh, PHC, I don't like you.
Show FV. Nope. I missed it anyway.
I'm kind of done watching GME, man. I mean, that drop below there was kind of a given that 81 would bounce. But now I'm just, I don't know which.
Just a quick 270 flush here is all we're looking for.
Thanks for telling me it was below 85, though. You got my eyes looking at it.
Yeah.
It's kind of fighting
I did not
here.
hear that part. I would have jumped in there. Oh well. Who you lose, Steve? That's probably on a phone call.
That plitter's going up again. Came down, going back up.
I would have got it when it was down.
No, I didn't notice it at that point.
This is what I would have liked. It
Oh,
down
spready.
here.
They're 3-4 cents for a $2
I
stock
probably
like
wouldn't have
this.
taken it there anyway. That wasn't a very fast move.
Come on, just one
Well-
more little push here.
So I found a new artist that I like, and that's exciting.
I'm just gonna
What is
take
it?
it off. I'm not a fan of how this
You
is.
probably
It's not the
will
trade I
not
wanted.
like
I was
it.
looking for the flush down
Kinda
through
offended you.
270. It's not flushing.
Classic
Whatever.
rock.
No, thank you.
Only classic rock?
No,
Just get out
all
of
of
that.
too.
If you like classic rock, you should. If for a new band, you should check out the Black Keys. They're pretty dope.
Yeah.
The black what?
That's another one, guy. It was the same thing.
Black
It was
geese.
fighting, 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 fighting,
Black Keys,
and then
yeah,
it just
they're very
pops.
classic
Every time
rock.
it was trying to go back up, it just pops up. Fight, fight, fight down,
The other
pop
band
back up.
that you would probably like. I like classic rock too. I like a bit of everything.
Look,
God, I can't remember
MITT
band's
did
name
that
right
again.
now. My brain just shut down.
See, fight, 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 and then boom, right? They're the ones that we're not looking to mess around with too long. Overstay are welcome. Just glad we got the ad
You
here
hear the
on
new
this
band that
one,
sounds
so
like
we could
so
get out
much
where we
like
did.
What's Up One that's not even funny.
No.
It's kind of crazy too, because right there you wouldn't think that our average was right there, but you would.
Yes.
These arrows can be
You can't
deceiving
tell.
because it's the very bottom tip of the arrow. It's not. Some people just like see the arrows and they're like, "Oh, it should be up here," but that's not the case. Let's see. A good stop out there. Basically break even.
I'm gonna post some other songs inside. Somebody tell me something moving while I'm looking at this song.
Yeah, me.
KTRA is trying to move. It looks like Workhorse is back on the scanner. What's that doing?
GTRA. GTRA. Oh, Greta Van Fleet. My brain has come back.
Yeah, see, like a chart like this, I'm not interested in. See how it just looks grindy? I mean, that's just me. And this is kind of the same way, but at least this one's kind of breaking out through a resistance Watching this KTRA, but it's really slow. Volume's really light.
Do you have Apple Music?
No.
Ah, darn it. I don't even know if you can listen to it without it.
You can just tell him the name and the title of the song. He'll you can YouTube it. Everything's on YouTube.
Yeah, I could do that too.
Just don't stream it now.
Yeah, just don't put it on. Yeah. Listen to it quietly.
I feel like there's
Jeez.
so many ads nowadays.
The heck is the chart's obviously not loading. There it goes. This PERI, it's the only one I'm red on today. Is trying to go again. Is that a real candle? Holy crap!
The giant candle.
Yeah, that flush down. See that?
Yeah.
Wonder if that was real.
Check out those guys when you get a chance, man.
Jimmy back under 82.
It's not real, Lance.
No,
No, I checked my bubbles.
oh, it doesn't exist.
Yeah.
I love that.
Ox bar.
I really don't want to fight this thing. I'm not. I'm just
What
gonna
do you
leave it alone. Nothing. I'm not in anything. I was looking at PERI though, PERI again. That's the only ticker on red on today.
Oh, you started looking at it again. You're like, no.
Yeah, no, I'm not dealing with this one.
Oh, that VERI or whatever? No.
No,
VRI.
VIR I ended up green on. It was a nasty chart though, but yeah, VIR. Where's that at now? It continued down after it popped. Whoa, KTRA. That thing dumped. Oh my.
Which one?
KTRA. Oh, it's nothing special to look at, but I was looking up through 250 on that one when I pulled it up and it never got there, and then it just went kablooey.
It did.
TSN. No, NTXN probably. Huh?
KTRA.
What is it?
KTRA.
Oh no, I'm trying to listen to
Katrina.
Oh,
That said this one wasn't what I was looking at, so I was like, well, I'm not.
Yeah, it wasn't. Oh yeah, VIR would have ended up working after it bounced.
That is
he's
HTSN.
under 81.
If you want a cheap one, HTSN is going straight up.
This is just like earlier, guys, right? Like I said, time that bounce, right? That's the high probable move, that pullback. What it does after this, who knows, right? It could go to high day, it could continue, it could do this. I mean, just here, workhorse, same deal. Came back up after the bounce, and it died off a little bit more, but ultimately it went up. So it's very 50-50 after that pullback. That's all we're looking for is that pullback. Which one are you talking about?
HTSN.
Oh wow, yeah, it's cheapy cheap.
It is cheap. You gotta take some share size if you're gonna make money on this thing.
Ooh,
Oof, I didn't get it.
look at the spread on that. It's horrible for a $1.40 stock, a 4 or 5 cent spread. Yeah, that's horrible. it's like almost 3-4% of the stock.
Wasn't like that when it was going up.
Through 150, I would have been interested there, definitely. There goes MITT again.
What's that, man?
MITT.
That one like expensive or something?
No, 4.
No.
4.
I don't know why I haven't seen this one in a while. I gotta pee.
I
I
missed
don't know what happened with
that.
GME, but it just went up from 81 to 90, and I missed it.
Wow, look at that thing squeeze. That's gonna halt.
Really?
Yeah, it's
Yep.
gonna go right to the halt.
Oh my god!
This thing doesn't give up.
What the
It's,
hell?
oh, right to the halt.
Holy, why didn't we get that one?
I don't know.
It's your fault.
It is. I admit it was my fault. We
You know
did not
what,
get
man?
that.
You're supposed to be the guy always watching this. Tell me what's happening.
Looking at it, it was chopping around between 80 and 82, and I'm like, ah, and I looked away, and
That
all
should have
hell
been my
broke loose.
trade.
That's terrible.
Now I'm eating that coffee and I'm impressed. Thanks a lot.
Rambling.
What did I miss?
GME squeezing back up to 93 bucks.
Could have made $1,500 right there.
Oh my god, dude. Imagine if you just snatched up 100 shares.
Yeah.
I mean, right here would have been my entry probably with this type of play because it didn't give you that big dump.
Yeah.
It would have been at like 83.05
Yeah.
just because that's the breakout of that previous like pitted.
But
On volume like that, oh, dude.
that's
That's
terrible
amazing.
that we all missed it.
That's terrible.
That ruined my whole day.
Well, GME might be back in action, bro.
Yeah, with that.
Back to 160 to go? What do you guys think?
Could be.
Hold on. Let me turn Charlie up because I really can't hear his words. He just said, I'm not sure that's legitimate, but I'm not sure what he's talking about. Ooh, bananas. Alright, somebody guide me, man.
What's VIR doing now? Nothing. VTNR. A VTNR, not that it's much money there, but
What is happening right now? I'm having massive issues.
yeah, right now I'm not having any issues coming.
What's that?
I'm not having any right now.
I mean, what?
Issues.
No. No, I'm having my own actual.
You're having issues with DOS.
I'm not having DOS issues.
Messed up.
STC's back up, but that's not really super duper interesting.
No.
I want to find that crazy stock that has the volume, and I think it's GME.
Again. Well, look at that candle. All the other candles small. That one made $1.5 million. Last candle.
I mean, dude, that thing gets back over 100. I don't know what she's gonna do. I mean, I think she's just gonna go high. It's gonna go to the moon. It's gonna be no coming back, you know?
Yeah.
Because imagine, dude, if you are one of these guys who shorted, like, let's say just today. You know, I mean, this thing's already traded, what, 27 million if you shorted at 97, and you didn't somehow take profit down here.
Yeah.
That gets up there, you're like, oh, crap.
Yeah.
I'm not freaking riding this train.
Well, how many people did this one just fuck up? Excuse my
Dude,
language.
I guarantee you there was some shorts there, and I see where that volume came in around 9:57. Brought it down here.
Jags in timeout.
Did you time out him for the cuss word? I think like you can let an SH.
All right, Lance. Now, do you understand what you did wrong?
Yes, I did. I said sorry.
I know. I'm just messing with you.
Would you have time outed him for an accidental SHIT?
No, I just did it because he claimed responsibility immediately, and I was just adding on to the to the page.
The humiliation.
It's like he's like fuck, and then he's like shit. I cussed. Ah!
Are you allowed to cuss on YouTube or no?
Yeah, yeah. You just, I mean, you can't get like offensive with it.
It should be opening any minute.
Jimmy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But it
gotta keep a
didn't.
watch on it.
Must be a 10-minute. Because it should have opened 15 seconds ago.
When it halted at 10:34.
Yep. 10:34:02.
7:39. Yeah. About 5 minutes probably.
Yeah, it's gonna be so not till. Oh, it just opened.
It was just delayed.
There's a gate stop or open now. Stop Michael Echo GLE. Again, that tweet some channels mentioning purchase control. No. That appears to be coming from his account. That's GME GameStop.
I kind of wanted to see it go, just for entertainment purposes only.
There's a tweet from, I guess, somebody from the company about some sort of purchase of something. I don't know.
With all our newfound money, we actually decided to purchase a company that's actually profitable.
Now we may actually be worth like $40. Probably still not worth 100, but they say there's no confirmation on it, but it appears to be from his Twitter account.
And that's the move it got, at least so far.
All right, I just got some.
I didn't know.
We're getting a little carried away in the ISW chat. I'm messing with SSR. According to David, it's not small
Jumping like
availability
crazy. It's gonna
too.
go.
I'm not sold on it yet, dude. It was at the end. What's the decision?
Just looking for that flush, not quite getting it. Through 275. Kind of holding it up at 275.
Yeah, I don't know now.
Alright, just gonna take a break even. Looks like it wants to go back up. Oh, you jerk! Nah, it's gonna go back up through 280 here. No! No! You jerk!
Wanted to go down to my 9.
Go back up through 280. Come on. Oh, the bids are stepping in big at 275. That's probably definitely.
It'll put me in, so
Could be somebody.
Was it under 80, just under 89?
Yeah, looks like they're gonna try to prop that back up. Ah, it's frustrating. I just wanted that quick
88.75 is what I'm
flush.
at.
I kind of chased it. Kind of missed the top there. It really felt like it wanted to go back through 280 though. Still does. I was really struggling to get through 275. There it goes. There it goes.
Screwy, dude.
Yeah, no.
Still on it?
Yeah,
What are you in?
88.75.
Jimmy.
DGLY digital house February $3 call sweep now on Delta Golf from the Yankee currently at $2.82. That's DGLY.
I was just in and out of DGLY. Took a break even. Didn't want to give me the flush. I missed the top too.
Digital LY hitting the highs of the day now. Delta Golf taking the
And
Yankees.
they go.
News out
Probably
earlier.
too loud, man. Not digging DME.
Me either.
I did
I
it
was almost
again.
taking it. I was almost pretty happy.
I keep missing the top there. I keep hitting it like as it drops.
I guess.
Bloomberg says Tom Democrat.
Oh my god, why are you still so loud, Charlie?
$15 by 2025.
What do we get? 285.5. Just
So what
messing
all
with
did I
full
miss?
size here.
GME went a little crazy again.
Oh, we were on the bid for a second there. Split second.
That's nothing you'd be interested in.
Man, 80 to 94, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, what a little nut. Yeah, 9 to 5, decided jumping my way of trading this morning. But I ain't complaining. I got that one. That made my day there.
SPCE versus Galactic. Hitting a high 41.23
Look
now.
a little bit on that. What's FUV doing?
The moving?
Slow. It's going up, but
We short some FUV?
nope. 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 Nope.
Nope.
Tim, are you still in DGLY?
I got out and I got back in, but I got another bad fill. I'm at 285. I'm probably just going to cut this if it goes through 290.
DGLY isn't expensive, is it?
What was that?
It's a cheap stock, isn't it?
Yeah, about $3, I think.
DGLY. Shorts on it, and I don't love it. What's FUV look like on the daily? Kind of interesting. Your question's breaking out too.
It's just kind of chilling in here. I'm just gonna cut this thing. It's just being stupid. I don't have any size in it. I was just looking to try to get over 50, but instead it's gonna go the other way, it looks like. Decent little buyer stepped in at 84. Just hanging up here. It's very weird. Not something you want to see. Get through 284 this time. It might flush right to 280. We'll see. Go through. Just need one more penny out of you, mister.
Not liking anything right now.
The fight is real.
Glitter's dropping. Glitter. Yep.
Today's calling for a nap.
Come on. This is brutal. There it is. Don't you ever wish you could get slippage the other way? Wouldn't it be nice?
Citron says they're still short GME.
You put that order in there at frickin' a certain level. It'd be nice, you know, when it flushes through if you got that slippage.
Min plitter.
And workforce.
I just noticed I did my math wrong. I thought that would put us right over 50. It put us literally right under 50. Whoops. I did get the right fill, yeah. Dang, it's not even 11 o'clock. I guess I should go through and actually take a screenshot of each of my charts. I haven't done that yet. That's a decent amount of charts.
Out of plitter.
Or when?
Yep. Nothing great, but enough.
We're not getting our crazy moves, man.
No. Well, we missed that one.
Yeah.
Glad I didn't mess with PERI. Look, the thing just went sideways. I mean, it did eventually drop, but it went high day twice
Should've
there.
stayed in plitter a little longer. That's all right.
I'll let that update. These charts are laggy today. Come on. Come on, you can do it. There we go. That was our little scary one today. VIR. I kind of want to go back through these real quick after I'm done making my little paint thing here. I want to go through. I'm going to do it up on this other chart.
Min space.
That one done.
Hopefully going up.
But just go through and show you exactly what I was talking about today. I mean, even DGLY, same kind of deal. Just fight down and just pops back up. It kept doing it over and over again. I mean, we were cutting this at HOFV if it got there, but I think it gave us the flush first. All right, let me do my little paint ordeal here. So you guys shouldn't be able to see this. I'm just doing all the charts real quick. You know what? Let me get rid of all these old charts. Up through the 25th.
Let's look at space, see if that actually interests me.
It doesn't. I don't believe it does.
It doesn't. Well, this one's all of a sudden getting a little interesting.
What's Workhorse doing?
Dropping
Okay.
pretty hard.
Yes, it is.
Oh, don't tell me that. I thought about trading it again, but
Yeah, it's gone from 3180 to
oh
3060.
yeah, it went back high of day though. I was looking to trade it over here on that first one. I would have never traded this. It didn't extend enough.
I'd rather be in that than space right now.
Man,
It's starting to move. No, it's not. Space is working. It's crazy.
But you just said you didn't want to be in it.
What?
You just said you didn't want to be in it.
I didn't. It was not making me happy.
I don't know what I'm really gonna get out of this.
Now it's making me happy.
Okay, oh, alright.
Come on, space. Come on, you can do it. No, you
Hey,
can't. I just got out of space.
you're working pretty good.
I probably should have stayed, but I don't care anymore. It was boring me.
Come on.
Where are we going?
Alright, I'm on leftovers on this.
And what?
Workhorse. Which it was 80, 30, 84.
ENG is running. We don't have shorts though.
Can you go all the way back up? Look at this thing.
Workhorse?
Yeah. Let me go all the way back up. Nope, just kidding. He's just trying to make me happy.
In your lies.
Oh, no, wait, maybe. Let's see what she can do here. Push, 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 push. No, I don't think she's gonna go up there. I'm gonna get all out here. I'm done. What did you just call out though?
ENG. We don't have shorts on it though.
Alright, G and me, I'm looking at ENG. Wasn't WIMI, weenie is hitting highs. That's actually spiking.
Yeah. No shorts on that either.
Aw, you little piece of crap.
What, Workhorse?
Yeah. I can't do anything with that here. SBCE. Is that up near all-time highs, or what is that?
Which one?
Space.
Oh, I don't know. I'm out.
Oh, that is all-time highs. Oh, cool.
Oh, at least I got out at the right time. Makes me feel better.
Clear drawing set. I'm getting really tired, dude.
Me too. I don't know why.
I know why. I've been up since 1:30.
Oh.
Gosh. Pretty sure that did it.
DTNR. What is that thing doing? I have to go in huge on that to make that worthwhile.
Not what he said. A what?
VTNR.
Search are doing this crap again. Yeah, not my favorite, man. Oh, these are the ones I feel screw me more than anything. The cheapos that move up.
Yeah.
Cause you're getting in bigger size, you know?
Looks heavy. Lower highs. Not playing it though.
Oh. Base is dropping.
What is?
Base.
So real quick, before I get out of here, because I'm gonna
Sky is falling.
get out of here.
The sky is falling.
I just wanted to show anybody who cares, going through my trades today, kind of what
That drop.
I've noticed and what I've been looking for. So starting here on DGLY, not the best example. I mean, it is, but
Sky hasn't moved on, but I'm tired.
again, we'll oops. We'll draw a line away from previous resistance, right? Looking for the big move through it, and we're looking for the intense move to have a retrace, right? Some kind of a pullback. That's the high probable move.
What?
After
Hit
that
the
move
wrong fucking
happens,
button.
what happens
On.
after that?
On VTNR.
50-50, right?
I wanted
So
to add
I'm just
to
going
it,
to show
and I
you
fucking
my
covered
examples
it.
from today. So
then
didn't
it
quite
just dropped.
get the bounce here. We had our order at 275, didn't get filled. I think it was 275,
Shorted
wasn't
it,
it?
huh?
No.
Yeah, it would have
Maybe it was
worked too.
272. No, it looks like it was 275. Or no, that was HOFV. No, it was 272. Okay. But then we ended up taking a break even. And as you can see, one hive day. Got back in, looked for the flush,
Dude, I'm
couldn't quite get it.
right now, man.
And then it went back up. We were willing to risk hive day here, but then we ultimately got the flush.
I would have made a lot of money.
HOFV,
A lot of money, huh?
same thing.
Well, not a
right?
lot, but I mean,
Previous
I
resistance
lost,
down here.
I lost 75 on it.
Let me mute them
Because I
just
covered
for a
there.
sec, or I'll mute myself. So, big move up through previous resistance. We scaled into this one. Excuse me. Got the pullback, and again, after the pullback, right? This is the pullback we're looking for. What it does after that, we don't know. Is this going to go high of day just like DGLY did, or is it going to flush after it tries the pullback, which is what HOFV did. MITT, same thing, right? Previous resistance, we could even argue that it was right here. Extension away from it, the pullback, right? We're looking for the pullback. What it does after that pullback, we don't know what it's going to do, right? It tried to go lower, tried to go lower, tried to go lower, and then boom, look at that, one hive day. PERI, we just topped this one, didn't get an ad. I remember we missed this one, missed the ad on this one. Would have been a great trade. Ended up taking it off small red there. That was our only red trade today. Was trying to take it off break even, but didn't quite get it. That was kind of just our fault. Missed the ad. I think we were messing, I forget which trade we were messing with, but as you can see, pull back and then consolidates, goes higher. Been going higher all day. PRTS, extension away, line's already there, comes through, get the pullback, tries to bounce, right? You can see it tried to bounce, and then it kind of came back down flush, tried to even come back up. It's just chopping sideways, right? Look, what's the constant you see here, right? You see a big move up, and you see a retrace. What it does after that retrace, it's anybody's guess, right? It's 50-50. Who knows? VIR, same deal, right? We were a little early on this one. This one kind of just grind, and then boom, pop, right? And then it started grinding higher, and then another pop, right? It tried to halt, actually. We got in. I wonder if we top tick this thing. 69.77. 68.70. We're a whole point away, even though it kind of looks like a top tick, right? But it brought our average up nicely to I want to say it was like right around 64, a little over 64, and we just put our we figured that was about 50% of this move, right? I mean, it kind of looks like that's kind of what we were judging that on. Our average was a little above that, so we moved it down just to see if we could get that flush through 64. We got it. We got filled, and as you can see, we get the pop back up. Does it go back high of day, or does it come back lower and continue lower? Who knows, right? But what do you see? The constant big move up on an intense move, and the retrace, right? Every single one. VLDR, previous resistance down here at 25. The push through, and get the retrace, and what's it do? Goes high of day, right? What it does after that pullback, retrace, whichever you want to call it, we don't know what it's going to do. This is the high probable move, right? This is what we're after, the intense move into a pullback. Yes, you can scale out looking for it to fade, but a lot of times you're going to end up cutting it, right? Because sometimes it's going to go high of day. and that's just something you have to be willing to do if that's what's going to happen. Workhorse, last one. Previous resistance was actually kind of close here. Made a pretty decent move off the bottom, and this was actually a pretty good range as well. Basically top tick this one. We did try to scale out of this one because we didn't quite get what we wanted there, but it flushed right down, right? So we took half looking for this to continue down, and it did, right? It didn't fight to come down. This thing literally, we topped it and then boom, it flushed down. And so on this little bit of a pop, we were okay knowing that sellers were willing to jump in here. It didn't fight to come back down. And sure enough, it came back down, tested that previous resistance right there at 28, and that's where we took the rest, right? Ended up being a pretty good trade. Actually, I think that was actually our biggest trade of the day. So, and Workhorse, that's the one we were playing at the same time we were playing PERI. We were in both of those at the same time, and that's what caused us to miss our ad there on PERI because we were kind of focused on this one. So, but again, what's the common here? Right? Big intense move right off the scanner. Everything's right off the scanner. That's why you guys are probably here in the first place, is to watch the scanners. Big intense move, looking for the retrace. What it does after that retrace, you can see it pop back up here. It tried to come lower and then ultimately went up higher, and it's just grinding away. So again, it's all about, it's a pretty constant thing that you're seeing. It's what I'm looking for. And yeah, so pretty valuable lesson, I guess. There, not lesson, but pretty good insight to what I'm looking at on a daily basis, what I'm looking for. So that's all I have for you today. I'm going to go ahead and just shut it down. Hopefully you guys have a good day as well, good rest of the day. I have some other stuff to do today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Stop in the Discord if you want to talk the rest of the day. I'm sure Devin and Jag and Thomas, they're always in there pretty much all day if you want some company. And yeah, have a good rest of the day. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace. I knew it was going to do that. Hold on. My mouse was on the screen, so it did that. Okay, official piece.